Guys, we're back at Daytona, the International Bike Show, surrounded by all the best manufacturers. We got Suzuki right behind us here. We got Slingshot over here. We got Triumph over there. This is definitely, if you can get out of work and get your ass down here, I highly recommend it. Indians right over here. Harley's on the other side. We got Motor Trikes, Boss Haas, BMW, Honda. They're all here. Let's give Suzuki a little love and see what they got going on at their booth here. You can come down and demo any of these bikes. You want to try the new V-Strom DS? Give it a whirl. Want to try the venerable DRZ 400? You can take this thing out and wheel it around town if it suits your fancy. Where else on the planet can you hop on one of the most iconic super bikes anywhere for free? Just hand them your license, sign the waiver, and take this Busa out right here. Ride it around Daytona. This is the best deal in motorcycling on the planet. Everybody's here. Every brand that wants to be in this business, you kind of have to be here. And this isn't just it, not just this massive international motorcycle. If you're into V-twins, Harley V-twins and Buells, you want to be up at the destination Daytona. It used to be Rossmeyer's Harley Davidson. That's 10 miles north of here. Another giant event dedicated just to V-twin motorcycles, mostly Harleys, but Buells there too. You want to ride one of these Suzuki GSXS 1000s or one of their adventure bikes, or you want to try the traditional GSXR 1000, or 750, I highly recommend you come and ride all the bikes and keep an open mind. You might find something that really tickles your fancy, it really floats your boat, you know? You only live once, man. You can't take it with you. And you'll never see a motorcycle in front of a psychologist's office, brother. So feeling a little down, nothing better than a new bike to cheer you up, man. Or an old bike. You can come here. A lot of these models haven't changed in a long time, so you can come to Daytona, ride all the new bikes. You want to ride this GSXS with the gold forks? Give it a whirl. You want to run the GT? Give it a whirl. Try all the bikes out. Find out what you like. Heck, you want to buy a new Honda Goldwing? They haven't changed that in 7 years. You can ride the current one, then go find yourself a deal on a nice used one if you can't afford new. All the manufacturers are bringing 2-3 semi-trucks full of their latest, greatest new bikes and letting everybody try it out. And they're here for 10 days, man. So you don't have to rush. You want to take a relaxing day, go down the beach with your girl, hang out, go to the boardwalk, have some lunch on top of the boardwalk. Want to take your Harley out for a ride? This is my personal CVO. I came to Daytona last year and did just that. Exactly what I'm saying. Sometimes I'm a little concerned because I already have so many bikes that I'll find something I have to have, you know? Sure as shit. I saw the CVO ST here last year with the inverted forks, and I had to have it, man. Just a spectacular motorcycle. We've done a bunch of work to it since we got it. We did the stage 1 kit, the pipe, the whole passenger. This didn't even come with a passenger seat on it or backrest. So that's a whole nother story. But come down here, find out what floats your boat, and buy one, because you know what? Life goes by really, really fast. And there's a lot of pain and suffering in life. You know, most of us are working a 40-hour work week, taking care of our house, family, kids, whatever the thing may be. Maybe you're an empty nester and you want to get back out into the wind and have some fun. One thing's for sure, in 30 years, most of us are going to be dead. So this is not a dress rehearsal, man. Get out to Bike Week, get out to these events. If you can't make it down here, meet us up at Americade or Laconia, one of the rallies in the Northeast, or Sturgis. Go to the big rallies if you love motorcycles and try them all out, man. These are the guys coming in from the demo right here on a new V-Strom. Here's the guy on a new GSXR. Sure, nothing but smiles. DRZ 400. Everybody's out having a good time, man. So ain't I. Here's somebody rolling in on the brand new Busa. Look at that thing. Another Busa. Just rows and rows of new bikes that are yours for free. Take them out and ride them. Find one you like. You don't have the money, you can finance it, man. Let's get out there and do it. Love you all. God bless America. God bless Bike Week, man. It's the coolest event on the planet.